Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to display the battery percentage on your Windows 11 laptop. If you want to quickly check your battery level without guessing from the battery icon, this guide will help you. So let's get started. Firstly, go to Start menu, and here you will type for Settings, then open Settings. Now from the left side menu, click on System. After select that, select Power and Battery. Scroll down until you see the battery percentage option. Here you will see battery percentage. Display battery percentage on taskbar. Now the percentage, turn the toggle on. Here you will see. Now the battery percentage will appear in the taskbar next to the battery icon. And that's it. This is how you can show battery percentage on Windows 11. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.